Or if you're having a New Year's party, are you looking for something fun to do with your guests? How about a do-it-yourself party hat bar? I recently learned how to create one at Blaze and Bloom Vintage in West Hartford. Take a look. All right, it's time to ring in the new year. Happy New Year! Party! If you're having a party, Jen, you have some great ideas to spice up your house.
Well, thanks. There's a couple of things, you can find laying around the house from your post-holiday party. And it's now on to the next holiday party.
Tinsel.
Yes, so if you have some of this extra fabulous tinsel, you can make a wreath for your door. And I've never seen a New Year's wreath done before. And I was like, wow, how fun is this? So simple pieces. Get this at your local craft store. You can also get it at a dollar store as well. You never know. And you simply take this and you are going to just wrap the entire thing with the tinsel all the way around.
Okay.
You just keep going. And then you can add anything you have that may be from leftover from last New Year's. Some people still have their horns or anything, or you can pick up a few at the party store and just simply take some floral wire and bada bing, bada bang, bada boom.
And there you have it.
There you have
an
it.
adorable wreath for your door to welcome your guests.
Exactly.
Next, Jen shows us how to make party hats. So this one's a little party hat.
This is a party hat. And this one,
I love it,
is the ball.
The ball dropping.
Your ball is dropping.
Perfect.
And I know, it's so, oh my God, it actually looks so adorable on you. You're so cute. So cute.
Set up a do-it-yourself bar with all the supplies.
So what you need here is some headbands to start. So you just want to put this out on your table, and you can find some cute little things. I put some little silver out to just have your supplies and put them in, and give them a whole bunch of things. You can give them some tinsel. I even went ahead and got some glow sticks. I mean, who knows?
Wow.
Let them be creative. Let them come up with the ideas that they want to do.
So the idea is your guests will be making their own, and then you're wearing it throughout the party.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And this is fun because, again, you can do this with your kids. So you're going to take your headband and you're going to take a pipe cleaner.
Okay. So these are like gold ones.
These are gold and shimmery and shiny, and I have some silver over here. And you can. I started it at one end, and you're no glue or anything. You're just going to hold that piece down. Yep, like so. That's okay.
And just wrap it around?
And just wrap it around.
So about 6 pipe cleaners all the way around?
Yes.
Okay.
And you can do all of the same color, or if you want to mix it up, feel free to grab another color. Now for the ball, I'll show you while you're wrapping. I did an old Christmas ornament, and I found some of these fabulous stick-on gems. And you just stick them on the balls.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Where did you get these? At the craft store?
These I got it at the craft store. And when you peel them off, you just stick them on.
Oh, what a good idea, because it looks like, all the crystals on the ball from New York City. Yeah.
And now this is the ornament that you made into a fabulous disco ball. And it has a little topper, so if you just pull that. So this is really the best bet for you, these old-fashioned ones. And you're just gonna take this and put a hole and make a hole all the way through because you want it to pierce the ball, okay? Now we're gonna get super fancy and go glow stick, okay? So you wanna make sure you break your glow stick first before you put it in, because it'll glow.
Oh, great idea, yeah.
So now you're gonna slip that through. Now you're gonna give it a little oomph. There you go.
Okay.
There you go. And you can put it high, low, wherever you want it to be.
All right, I'll put it right in the middle.
Now this is glowing. So I actually don't think you need to wrap it with any more of the tinsel.
No, you can on this one you did, but
Yes.
with the glowing you could just leave it.
I'm actually bending the glow stick here.
Okay.
So that I'm gonna create like an angle. Okay. And I'm gonna lay that on here for you, and you're going to wrap around that little angle as super tight as you can. And we might have to do a couple of these. And there, we're getting there. Maybe one more. You can never have too many pipe cleaners. Wow, that looks fabulous.
It's great.
I know, you'll be the belle of the ball.
All right, now you're making one that's a little bit different.
Yes, mine is gonna be a little whimsical here. So as you can see, I use the party horns, and I'm going to make them into horns.
Okay.
So I'll have
two of them.
Yes, 2 sets of horns here. So I'm going to take my pipe cleaner here and string it through the bottom of it and have it come all the way through. And at the top, I'm just going to pull it down and kind of just, give it a little wrap around. It doesn't have to be anything perfect. It just squeeze it to make sure it holds it tight.
Okay.
And now I have my pipe cleaner ready to go. So I'm just going to lay it like we did before and wrap.
So it stays nice
so
and
it
secure
stays
in there.
nice and secure. And you
Again.
can always go around, you know, have fun.
And there it is.
And there it is. So now I have my
oh my
horns
gosh.
ready to go and rock it.
It's like the unicorn trend, but with a New Year's headband.
And now you have the ball, the drop the ball. I love it.
So cute.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Set up this bar for your guests and
Yes.
have them just go wild.
Next to your other bar.
Yes, 2 bars. All right.
Love it.
That's cute.
All right, for more crafty inspiration for any time of the year, check out Blaze and Bloom, their website. It's blazeandbloom.com. The owners teach classes and sell their wares as well. Their store is located at 485 New Park in West Hartford.